So with Colibri, in order to create a vehicle, you are going to go on Vehicle tab. Then you can click on New Vehicle. Then, then you only need to fill the required information. So the vehicle name, vehicle make, vehicle make. You also need to add the date of purchase, the vehicle starting kilometer, the vehicle starting kilometer. Is it automatic or manual? The rest is not mandatory, but you can fill it as well. Then if it's the only car you have to create today, you can click create. If you need to create another one after, you can click create and create another.